Hi there! In this video, I will show you how we can build this semi-long range FPV drone. Believe me, it's too fast. But I have crashed a lot during this session. I'm sure that you are gonna enjoy the rest of it. This frame is a bit different. It's fully customized. In my last video, I built this 5-inch freestyle. After disassembling, I took the arms from it. Can you remember? Yes, it's my 6S racing drone from last year, and I took the base plate and top plate from it. You can see I combined all the parts and I was able to make a 6-inch frame. I am using this T-Motor Velox Velgo 2207.5 1750 kV motor for a long time, and it is quite excellent. This is T-Motor Velox 45 ampere ESC, and you know how good it is. So performance, no questions. Now it's soldering time. Again, be careful. Now this is SkyStar's F7 flight controller. I think it's quite good to have in budget. This is PandaRC 600mW VTX. I went over 1 km and got no issues. This is Foxeer Falcor 3 FPV camera. Pretty good image quality it has provided. I suggest you to have a clean setup possible. This time I have switched to Skyzone 04L FPV goggles cause it has a bit bigger screen than my previous goggles. I am using Crossfire Nano receiver with the Immortal T antenna to have an ultimate control range. Here comes the bad boy, FRSK Tranis X90 along with the Crossfire module attached. I am using this M80 Pro GPS to get the home directional information in my video feed. The installation process is complete and it looks well. Got this package delivered during this building time. It contains a GoPro mount and a few 6-inch foldable propellers. It comes separated, so let's assemble it. Now it's ready for the first round fly. It's working, so I decided to go outside. Wow, it looks awesome, just like I have taken it from the dustbin.
Oh my god! Wow!
It is covered by mud all over it. Whenever you face this type of situation, go for the disassembling and find out the damages. After disassembling, I washed it. And I cleaned all the electronics using isopropyl alcohol. And I assemble it again. And it's working well. So I installed the propellers and went for another test fly. It seems fine enough, so let's fly outside. Maybe it has been crashed due to ESC desync and the propellers got damaged. I realized that my GPS got lost. I have tried to find but I failed. Well, I disassembled everything and after cleaning, it's good to go. In the middle, me and my friends went on a trip and I carried my FPV gears with myself. I think FPV can make your trips better. It was so amazing to me to fly FPV in a new place. Newer places always gives you newer experiences and it's one of the best moments in my FPV life. Now it's time to get back home. Few days after returning home, I tried different types of propellers and also a new crash. But luckily nothing bad happened. I also tried these 6-inch propellers. It provides extreme speed and efficiency. If you have any kind of doubts, let me know in comment section. You can also knock me on Instagram, link in the description.